Hey guys, Ijeoma Kola here. So for the past few weekends, I've been working on an interior design project that I've actually been wanting to do for a while now, and that is making an indoor hanging herb garden. I wanted to do this for two reasons. For one, I really like cooking with herbs, especially rosemary, thyme, and parsley. If you watched my pasta cooking video, you saw that I used rosemary to make the chicken broth that then went into the pasta sauce. And herbs can get a little bit expensive if you buy them in the store. And from what I've heard, they're pretty simple to grow on your own. The second reason I want to do this is because the window over the sink where we do the dishes looks out onto where we hang our laundry, and that isn't the most interesting view. I wanted something that would partially block our laundry hanging outside, and I didn't want to use curtains because I feel like curtains in a kitchen kind of like looks a little grandma. So I thought that a hanging herb garden could be a good way to use the natural light that we get here while also fulfilling a need that we have in our kitchen. If it's your first time here, guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. I'm really excited with how they came out. I think that they are absolutely beautiful and make for just like a really nice homely touch. The herbs that we're working with are rosemary, this is parsley, that's sage, we have thyme, mint, and then basil. I bought these a couple of days ago and accidentally left them sitting outside for a few days, so they're not in the best shape, but they are better than nothing. This is what I want them to look like, but then obviously with the plant. So I spray painted a terracotta pot. I have chalkboard labeled, and I've made this like really easy 1, 2, 3 knot macrame like hanging planter that everything is going to sit in. So this is what your rope looks like before you set the planter in it. I just used a very simple like macrame knot tutorial where I used 4 cords, doubled them up there, tied 1 knot on each of the 2 cords, joined, like, I don't know how to describe it. You basically like tie knots and then you join one strand from one group to another strand of another group. And then you do the same thing for like 1 more layer, or you could do 4 layers if you want, but I only did 3 rows of knots and then ended it with a big knot like this. And I have 2 different lengths of hangers because I want the garden to be kind of like staggered. So I finished all the macrame, and now I just need to pot all of the herbs inside their respective pots. So I'm gonna now do that. thanks so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone. And if you're planning on doing an indoor hanging herb garden based off of this video, I would love to see the results. If you post on Instagram, feel free to tag me. If you're not like a social person, feel free to just email me a picture. I would just love to see what you guys come up with. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.